Hey, it's like 2:15 a.m. Long day, about to go to bed. Just wanted to make this video because I am amazed at how much stuff has just gone wrong in a short amount of time. We have an amazing opportunity with a very well-known rocket company that just went public. Kind of like a step change opportunity. This lathe, which I love, is kind of the weak link in the chain right now. It's causing us a lot of problems, and it really is unbelievable what has happened. What could derail this? It's essentially $1 million opportunity in the next 5 weeks, and we keep thinking we got a good process. We end up having problems here. Today we finally got everything going, but I just kind of wanted to show late night. So this is a lead well, T8SM. Bought it a couple years ago. Main sub, live tooling, no Y-axis, which is kind of a problem. But this thing has been awesome. This part we're doing is I'll show you. Like, there's a we're roughing out on the lathe. It's a unbelievably difficult part. Goes on a satellite. It starts out as like a 6-inch slug and ends up being it's like 6-inch 6061 aluminum, 11 inches long. Ends up feeling like an aluminum can. It is so light. It's kind of insane. It's like some kind of, I kind of know what it is. It's a light filter. But on this machine, the amount of stuff that just happens and just changes our day, and you know, we're running parts 1 minute and the next I'm inside this machine covered in just nastiness, grease, coolant, chips. Super mad. It really is insane. So like, I'll just give you a quick rundown of what kind of happened. So yesterday we were running along through a part. Not actually sure why. These parts are actually have not much run out. I think we're going a little aggressive, maybe trying to get the time down, which we have. Through the part, this turret keeps getting misaligned. We have to take the sheet metal off, which takes a while, and you know, now we're like a freaking NASCAR pit crew. Get it off pretty quick. Yesterday I tried to get off some of these bolts where these screws were stripped, which, you know, the tool I had, because it wasn't put back, whatever. Couldn't find it. Had to go to Home Depot. That wastes a ton of time. Get these guys off. Down here, we got to take this off. There's 2 bolts into the casting, basically, that we use another bolt to kind of jack up when we're realigning this thing. Those holes have basically failed. We got it aligned last night. I don't think we'll be able to use those again. We've got hex coils coming, or helicoils coming tomorrow. Get that fixed. So turbo's misaligned through the part. Actually broke a tool, so we replaced the tool, but the tool is a PH horn. The holder was shorter, stubbier. We have this longer one, which is going to have chatter issues. This holder is bigger, so we had to put it in here. Stuck out, or maybe it was I think it was that holder down there. Stuck out when I did a tool change. Rubbed, knocked the turret alignment off. You know, that's another. I think luckily we were able to just turn the machine on and off, rehome it. Encoder was fine. Touched all the tools off. Everything was within thou. But it's just like, it is unbelievable. It's really unbelievable the opportunity that we have. As you can see, I got nice 5-axis brothers in the back. Those are pretty sweet. But we decided the part runs about 1.5 hours on that machine. And we've got the roughing cycle down to about 30 minutes on this. So we're able to make, basically they said, we'll buy as many of these as you can make. So it's a massive opportunity for us. But this thing, which I love, bought this lathe for like $21,000. 3 years ago. It's done great, but it has so many problems. But I feel like we know this machine pretty intimately now. Got everything back and fixed, and then I noticed the way cover on the Y-axis was off, and had to fix that for a couple hours. So it's just like the whole day, 8 hour, 8 hours. Start at 8 in the morning. It's 2 o'clock now. It just is. It is so insane the number of variables that just stack up and can go wrong. Now, granted, a lot of things can be fixed with systems. Some things just weren't where I needed them. I couldn't find any safety glasses, so I had to go back to Home Depot. It was just that kind of thing where half of it's stuff out of control, but half is definitely, if we would spend a little more time in maintenance, a little more time like keeping the place clean and organized, putting stuff back, but you get in these situations where it's just like pure chaos, not enough time in the day. We're all sleep deprived, we're sleeping like 3-4 hours a night. It's a huge opportunity, but it is unbelievable how much goes wrong staring this massive opportunity in the face. So I wanted to make this video because it's almost kind of comical. I definitely want to go back years later and remember these times, because I am unbelievably stressed right now. A couple customers are not happy. We kind of pushed them off just because this is such a huge opportunity, but it's just like you watch it just derail in real time. The only thing we can do is fix it and move forward. We're still kind of in a decent position. I think tomorrow we'll be in just like full production. We had two great parts come off these machines on the CMM. They look good. There's a lot of videos out there. This is pretty cool stuff we're doing, but man, the amount of stuff that goes wrong is really insane. And I just kind of felt compelled to make a video about that at 2:30 in the morning. So stay tuned. Maybe I'll post some more of these, see how we get through this. But yeah, it's bizarre. It's almost like you really got to fight for these opportunities. So, if I can help someone in my situation feel a little better, it sucks, man. But the only thing you can do is, the only way out is through.